instant shoe failure is real. The tape reinforcement method revolutionizes footwear longevity, offering a practical solution to a common costly problem many shoe owners face. This innovative approach extends shoe life up to 100%, often converting a 6-month lifespan into a full 12 months or longer with proper care. Understanding this system is crucial, involving specific adhesive material application to high-stress areas before damage begins, reducing wear and tear significantly. Traditional shoes often tear at the toe box side seams or sole connection after a few hundred miles of use, a disappointing outcome for a $75 or $150 investment. This method employs specialized fabric tapes engineered for durability and flexibility, resisting abrasion and moisture better than standard duct tape. Application is straightforward, requiring only 3 simple steps. First, ensure the shoe surface is clean, dry, removing all dirt and oils for optimal adhesion. Second, measure and cut the tape to fit targeted areas like the inner heel collar or outer toe cap, leaving a small overlap for maximum coverage. Third, firmly press the tape into place, working out any air bubbles from the center outwards, ensuring a strong bond that will last for hundreds of hours of activity. A single roll of high-quality reinforcing tape costs $5 to $10, providing material for several pairs of shoes, making it an economical choice compared to replacing footwear multiple times annually. Long-term durability is the main benefit users report. Sneakers lasting twice as long, and work boots maintaining integrity for an extra 6 to 8 months beyond expectation. Regular inspections every 2 to 3 months identify areas needing reapplication, a quick fix taking less than 10 minutes. This proactive maintenance saves hundreds of dollars annually, preventing frequent new shoe purchases, a financial drain many simply accept as unavoidable. Initial application might take 15 to 20 minutes per pair, but this small time investment yields massive returns in shoe lifespan and personal savings. Imagine extending a $50 pair of shoes to last a full year instead of half, meaning you save $50 right away. For a 3-pair rotation of $100 shoes, extending each by 6 months equates to $300 saved in 12 months. Choosing the right tape is paramount. Some are heat activated, others are pressure sensitive, each offering distinct advantages depending on the shoe material and intended use. Avoid heavy industrial glues as they can stiffen and cause discomfort. Instead, opt for tapes designed specifically for textile and leather applications. This small alteration fundamentally changes the economics of footwear ownership, moving from a disposable mindset to a sustainable one, where shoes become a long-term asset. The sheer volume of shoes discarded prematurely due to simple structural failures represents an enormous environmental and financial waste. But this method offers a viable path to mitigation. It truly is a game changer for anyone wanting to maximize shoe investment and minimize environmental footprint, one strengthened step at a time. 100% extra life for your cherished footwear is no longer a dream. The revolutionary tape reinforcement method transforms shoe durability, saving countless dollars annually for millions worldwide. Before specialized application begins, the shoe's surface must be meticulously prepared, ensuring optimal adhesion for the high-performance reinforcement tape. Users clean specific areas with soft cloth or small bristled brush. A mild alcohol wipe or 90% isopropyl solution removes lingering dirt, grease, and manufacturing residues, compromising adhesion by up to 50%. This vital cleaning takes 5 minutes per shoe. Failing to clean leads to premature peeling within weeks after 100 miles. Ensure the shoe is completely dry, taking 10 to 15 minutes in a ventilated area. microscopic dust particles can severely compromise the bond, affecting effectiveness over a typical 12-month period of strenuous activity. With the surface pristine, the next stage involves precise measurement and cutting of the high-performance fabric tape. This specialized tape typically comes in rolls of 10 to 20 feet, providing material for 10 to 15 shoe repairs. An economical solution costing merely $5 to $10 per roll. Use sharp scissors or utility knife for clean edges, preventing fraying that could weaken tape integrity by 20%. Measure areas needing reinforcement, like the inner heel collar showing wear after 200 miles, or the outer toe cap vulnerable after 300 miles. Cut the tape to extend 1/4 inch beyond the direct stress point, providing a substantial anchor for critical side seams. A tape strip 2 inches long and 1/2 inch wide often suffices, offering robust protection. The goal is complete coverage without unnecessary bulk, maintaining shoe flexibility and comfort. This careful measuring process usually takes 7 to 10 minutes per pair, preventing tape waste by 30%. The final step is secure application of the tape, requiring careful attention for maximum benefit. Begin by peeling back a small section of the tape's backing, exposing the powerful adhesive. Position the tape carefully over the designated area from one end. Gradually press the tape down firmly, working from the center outwards to eliminate trapped air bubbles. Air bubbles reduce bond strength by an alarming 60%, creating weak points where peeling might start after 100 miles of wear. A small roller or blunt edge of a credit card ensures maximum uniform pressure across the tape surface, guaranteeing a strong, lasting bond. Once applied, the tape needs time to cure or set. Depending on tape type, this can range from 2 hours for rapid pressure-sensitive adhesives to 24 hours for robust heat-activated varieties. Heat-activated tapes might require gentle heat from a hairdryer for 30 seconds at low setting to fully bond, adding security and extending lifespan by an additional 20%, often converting a 6-month lifespan into a full 18 months. This detailed application ensures the shoe can withstand thousands of steps, an average of 5,000 steps a day or 150,000 steps per month for at least a year. This meticulous 3-step process converts a 6-month shoe into one lasting 12 to 18 months, easily saving a user $70 to $100 per pair annually, a significant financial relief. The initial 15 to 20 minutes invested per shoe pair pays tremendous dividends, providing up to 1,000 extra hours of wear time for a $75 pair. Avoiding this simple 3-step process leads to 80% of shoe failures within 6 months, often necessitating a new purchase costing upwards of $120. These specialized reinforcement tapes resist 50% more abrasion than standard materials and 70% more moisture, ensuring protection even in harsh conditions. A $10 roll of tape can effectively safeguard 3 pairs of shoes, prolonging their useful life by 360 days each, meaning 1,080 days total extended wear for a single $10 investment. A truly staggering return on investment, defying conventional shoe economics. This method fundamentally shifts footwear ownership from disposable mindset to a sustainable, long-term asset. 2 years of shoe life instead of 6 months is now reality. The revolutionary tape reinforcement method transforms shoe durability, saving countless dollars annually for millions worldwide. This advanced application ensures footwear defies typical wear patterns, extending life by 100%. Imagine a shoe that previously lasted only 6 months, now serving faithfully for 12 to 18 months easily. This incredible longevity translates into financial savings of $70 to $100 per pair each year, a significant relief for millions of active users. The high-performance fabric tape, once meticulously applied, resists abrasion 50% more effectively than untreated areas, a crucial benefit for daily wearers. It also repels moisture 70% better, protecting against environmental degradation common after 600 miles of outdoor use. Key stress points, like the inner heel collar or outer toe cap, which typically show wear after 200 or 300 miles, are now robustly fortified. The careful 20-minute application prevents 80% of common shoe failures, allowing shoes to endure 5,000 steps daily for a full 365 days. A mere $10 roll of specialized tape can extend the useful life of 3 distinct pairs of shoes by 1,080 days total, offering an astounding return on investment. For maximum long-term effectiveness, users should periodically inspect the applied tape, ensuring no edges begin to lift or peel away. Small lifts, if caught early, can be repressed firmly, maintaining the original bond strength, which otherwise could reduce by 60% over time, compromising protection. Avoid harsh chemical cleaners on taped areas, as these might degrade the powerful adhesive over a typical 18-month period of consistent use. Gentle spot cleaning with a damp cloth is highly recommended for taped zones, protecting the adhesive integrity for maximum bond. Storing shoes in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight also significantly helps preserve both the shoe material and the tape, prolonging usability well beyond 500 days of active wear. This ingenious method is proven to add 1,000 extra hours of wear time for a $75 pair, making shoe replacement a much less frequent necessity. The initial 15 to 20 minutes invested per shoe pair pays immense dividends, preventing premature wear and tear often observed after only 100 miles of walking or running. This practice fundamentally shifts footwear from a disposable item to a sustainable asset, reducing consumer waste by an estimated 30% and greatly enhancing value for countless individuals globally. This simple but profound modification allows shoes to comfortably handle 5,000 steps a day or 150,000 steps per month without compromise for an extended period, often exceeding 550 days. Properly applied and maintained tape makes shoes 50% more resilient to daily impacts, extending their functional lifespan by 1/3 compared to untreated counterparts, meaning a shoe might last 547 days instead of 365 days. A substantial improvement. Specialized tapes can withstand temperatures ranging from 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining adhesion in diverse climates for over 2 years. Regular users report an average $75 saving per year per pair when utilizing this method across their footwear collection. A single roll of tape costing $5 to $10 can save hundreds over its total lifespan, a truly economical solution, preventing purchases of $120 new shoes. This proactive approach saves users an estimated 150 hours of shopping time annually.